Hello YouTuber, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are a lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about what is e-commerce, its examples and benefits. According to a recent survey, 56% of organizations expect the majority of their revenue to come from e-commerce within the next 3 years. The answer to the question what is e-commerce is multifaceted. Beyond simply the act of selling online, e-commerce extends to different types of businesses and can involve selling across a variety of channels. Survey guidance owners see the potential in putting their products in front of where their customers are online. In this video, we are defining what e-commerce is, how it works, and how you can establish a successful e-commerce brand that thrives online. What is e-commerce? E-commerce, electronic commerce, refers to all online activity that involve the buying and selling of products and services. When you go to your favorite online retailer to buy a new pair of shoes, you are engaging in e-commerce. If you pay online to attend a music concert or buy a plane ticket through the airline website, then e-commerce too. E-commerce does not only occur on desktop, though in fact most e-commerce traffic is driven through mobile commerce. Mobile commerce sales are expected to account for more than half of all e-commerce sales by 2021. E-commerce on the rise. To stay ahead of the curve, many business owners are taking their business online, not only by having a website but by selling their products and services directly through their websites and other e-commerce platforms. E-commerce sales are projected to reach 75.5% of retail sales by 2021. According to the Forrester, US B2B e-commerce will reach $1.8 trillion by 2023. To maximize sales and provide the tailored experience customers are looking for, it's important to stay on the top of the latest business trends. So now is the time to consider e-commerce as a viable business with 95% of all purchases expected to be transacted via e-commerce by 2040. It's not too late to ride the e-commerce wave. The benefits of e-commerce. While there are many reasons to start an e-commerce business, there are some amazing benefits you can expect once you get your business off the ground. Number one, convenience. E-commerce provides the best in convenience, accessibility. Customers can find exactly what they need. Borderless transaction. A physical store limits business operations to a specific geographical area. An e-commerce website, on the other hand, allows your business to reach more customers globally, amazing your selling potential. Earning while you sleep. The internet never sleeps. You likely operate during regular basis hours. With e-commerce, your products are available for purchase at any time to customers around the world. Scalability. As your customer base grows, you can expand your e-commerce business to accommodate more sales. You will simply need to increase the bandwidth on your e-commerce platform to accommodate more traffic and orders. Personalized experience. With e-commerce, you can leverage the power of AI to create a personalized shopping experience for your customers. Access to innovative technology. As technology continue to improve, you will find more ways to streamline your business process, saving your time and money. With a physical store, there can be limitation to what technology can do. Affordable and effective marketing. Rather than rely on traditional marketing methods like print ads to drive traffic to a physical store, you will have a range of affordable marketing channels. The difference between different types of e-commerce business models. Number one is B2C, business to consumer. B2C e-commerce refers to selling goods or services to individual customers. B2C is what most people think of when they hear the term e-commerce business. Traditional B2C sales occur between a business and a single customer. A B2C e-commerce strategy that involves leveraging consumer data to get a full view of consumers across their online shopping journeys. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.